The state of Alabama has issued a blue alert. The Lauderdale County Sheriff's Office and the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency asks for your assistance in locating Casey white male 38 years of age with salt and pepper hair, hazel eyes and tattoos on both arms. Casey White is being sought in connection with a missing Lauderdale County Correctional Officer Vickie Sue White. Vickie White and Casey White were last seen on April 29, 2022 at approximately 9:40 a.m. at the Lauderdale County Detention Center. Casey White is believed to be a serious threat to the corrections officer and the public. If you have any information regarding this suspect, please contact the Lauderdale County Sheriff's Office at 256-366-3006 or call 911.